Hi, my name is Kim Cullen, and I'm a personal injury attorney in Winter Park, Florida. Today I'm going to talk about radiculopathy and the impact that radiculopathy may have on a personal injury or car accident case. So first things first, I need to tell anyone that's watching this video that I'm not a doctor. I don't have any specialized medical knowledge, but I have seen a bunch of radiculopathy in my over 25 years of practicing personal injury law. So radiculopathy, in a very layperson explanation, is a symptomatology that typically comes from injured discs in the spinal column. So radiculopathy often reveals itself as numbness and tingling into the hands or fingers or toes or legs. It may also reveal itself as a burning sensation. It's some sort of alteration of a typical sensation pattern, which people often have when they've injured their neck or their back or their thoracic spine, their mid-back. So radiculopathy is a common side effect of a spinal injury when someone's had a whiplash injury or an injury from an impact in a car accident or some other sort of trauma. And radiculopathy is normally one of the things that someone complains about. They don't call it radiculopathy, obviously, but they are often the complaints that people express to their doctor in office, and then very oftentimes the doctor will send them out for an MRI or other sort of diagnostic testing to see if it correlates with some sort of disc injury. So if radiculopathy occurs in a personal injury case, it does have an impact, and that impact typically takes it from a more or less minor injury case to a more significant injury case, because usually if radiculopathy is diagnosed, the doctor is going to step up the treatment regimen. So the doctor will frequently prescribe physical therapy. He may prescribe, they usually prescribe medication anyway, but he may then prescribe injections into the spine. Or if things don't improve at all over months and months of radiculopathy, then typically or very often, doctors will recommend surgery. And so that takes a lot of personal injury cases from a fairly minor, what we would call soft tissue case, to a more significant case involving injections or surgery, and that usually is accompanied by an increase in the dollar value of the case. So radiculopathy is a very serious diagnosis. So if you've been diagnosed with radiculopathy or your doctor's talking about radiculopathy, pay close attention, because it could mean that you have a more significant injury than you originally thought. So if you have any questions about radiculopathy and the impact that it might have on a personal injury case, including car accident cases, please call us. We'd love to answer questions. Our phone number at our office is 407-254-4901. You can always text us at 407-644-4444. You can email me directly to my personal email address. It's kmc@cullen-hemphill.com. If you're looking for information similar to the information that's in this video, then you can always look on our website. We have hundreds and hundreds of pages of blog posts and videos like this one with information similar to this one about personal injury cases. Or you can find our YouTube channel, where we also have hundreds of videos very similar to this one. If you like the information that we share with you, please hit the red subscribe button below, and then you'll be notified every time we put out new videos with content just like this.